Hey, we bikers, T-Work here. Well, I'm pulling up in a different spot today. I'm at Indian Motorcycles of Austin, and today they have free demos. So I have actually never ridden, believe it or not, an Indian motorcycle before. I'm here with my 2022 Harley Davidson Road Glide CVO, and that's my bar right there, right? I think that's a pretty good litmus test for most motorcycles that are baggers. I'm gonna head up and make sure they know I'm registered and check it out. Yeah, I'm here with Melissa. Hey Melissa, how are you?
Hi, good. You're going to do a test drive today.
Yes, I am. Yes, I am.
So with Indian, we're going to give you some free swag for signing up today.
Okay.
This is for you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
And of course, with Harley, this is going to be interesting riding around. I hope I don't get thrown out any clubs that there may be out there. All right, and I already signed up, and I'm good to go. I got my rag, so I'm good to go?
Yeah.
All right, thank you, Melissa. Take care. See you, Scott. What do we have here today?
Yeah, 21 different Indian motorcycles, ranging from our smallest, like Scout 60s, all the way up to the Pursuit, which is the new touring version of the Challenger, and a little bit of everything in between.
Okay, awesome. So what's the process here? I already signed up with whatever's inside.
Get signed up. Yeah. It's first come, first serve basis.
Okay.
Set your helmet on the bike you want to try. You got Jack from the store that'll be the leader. Brennan will be trailing behind in case you get separated at all, and take us for a little spin.
Great. All right, so I'm going to put my little equipment on around my waist, and I can't wait to get to it. Thank you.
Right on.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, so this is the first ride that I took. It was on the Indian Springfield. I definitely wanted to check that out, so I was really happy to do that. So my overall experience with the Indian bike is that there seem to be, and this is really all of them, it's all the ones that I've kind of rode that day. What I liked about them, they were sort of nimble. What I mean by that, there wasn't a lot of weight to them, and that really speaks to not only just Springfield, but all of them, right? The Challenger, the Chieftain, the Pursuit, and the Dark Horse, Challenger Dark Horse. They all seem to be very light and nimble. They had some giddy up. They were pretty quick. They're pretty fast. So the experience overall was very good. I can't complain. Is that a bike that I would think about getting? I'm not sure. I think if I was going to do something, I would probably look at the Indian Springfield. Then, of course, I would look at the Harley equivalent to that. And that's a video for a different day. But overall, the experience was very good. The course that we took just riding around town for each of the bikes was pretty similar. But yeah, they were pretty good. The Pursuit was nice, though. That was a nice one. If I had to choose one of these bikes, and it's not in replacement of a Harley, because for me there's no replacement, but I would probably go with the Springfield because I have the Road Glide 2022 CVO for Harley, so I would have to have a departure and just go with the Springfield. That's one of the type of bikes that I feel very comfortable just kind of, riding around town very quickly, maybe going to a park, someplace where you want a bike with a very low profile. So that was sort of my experience with that. So very good experience. It was awesome rides. It was a great day. First time ever riding the Indian brand. Very good experience. And would I recommend them? Yes, I would. I would definitely recommend whatever your choice might be. It's a viable, to me, alternative to Harley in terms of for the product that they have. So I know that I spoke to a gentleman about the difference between the two.
All right, we bikers, I'm here with Motec, and we're getting ready to check out his Indian Pursuit, is it? Yeah. All right, so run it down, man. Well, I'm still at the Harley Davidson dealership right now. And as you know, as I reported before, this weekend at the Austin dealership for Indian, they have demos. Demo bikes are going to be there for 2 days, so you can actually go there and ride. And that's where I'm going to be. I'm going to be filming next. That's a hat tip. All right, so run it down, man. What do you got?
Oh, I got a Indian Pursuit Dark Horse
All right.
with the premium package. So it's got everything fully loaded.
Nice. Hey, tell us what you were saying. I think it was very intriguing what you were saying about the mindset of each company. What's your perspective on that?
Mindset, like with Harley is about customizing your own bike, making the bike your own. Indian to a certain extent too, but they want to come out of the factory with everything you would want to get done aftermarket. They're trying to have it out of factory like that, so you don't have to have anything done besides your handlebars and other stuff.
Nice.
To make it your own, but that's their mentality, and that's Indian's way of trying to carve out a little niche out of the market hole that Harley has.
Yeah.
Hey, so do you agree with Motec? Is that what Indian's doing and how they're best sort of counterbalancing Harley's market share? Let me know in the comments. All right, so that's it. That was my ride. That's my demos. Here's some flashes of some of the bikes that I saw today and that I thought were on point. Peace.